Hello and welcome to the section 8 of the course Analyze Encrypted Traffic. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So we are going to capture SSL traffic and then we will analyze it. Let's start with the video SSL or TLS overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So we are going to learn the basics of SSL or TLS and we will take a look at capture and display filters. So guys, we are learning about SSL or TLS here. So let's talk about TLS. What is TLS? So TLS is transport layer security. What is TLS? So TLS provides security in the communication between two hosts. For example, if I want to send data from point A to point B, so TLS can provide you the security so that no one can grab or steal that data. It provides integrity, authentication, and confidentiality. It is used most commonly in web browsers. For example, if you open any HTTPS website, so it is using TLS nowadays, and HTTPS websites are very secure, but can be used with any protocol that uses TCP as the transport layer. Now, if we talk about what is the difference between SSL and TLS, so we will take a look. Now, secure socket layer, which is called SSL, is the predecessor of the TLS protocol. These names are often interchangeably, which can lead to some confusion. Means SSL and TLS are different, but TLS is the latest version. Now you can see here that configuration that uses the SSL protocol is insecure. That's why nowadays TLS is used. X.509 certificates for authentication are sometimes called SSL certificates. Some applications use a single port for both kind of like encrypted and unencrypted sessions. So you can see here when a single port directly uses the TLS protocol, it is often called SSL. Now, if you come down, so you can see the protocol dependencies. So it is TCP. Typically, it is TCP. So TLS, Transport Layer Security, uses TCP as its transport protocol. Now, if you can talk about TLS decryption, how you can decrypt TLS. So there are mainly two methods are available. First is keylog using per session secrets. So with the help of master secret, you can perform that. And second is decryption using an RSA private key. So you can take help of RSA algorithm private key to decrypt. These are the ways. But it's very hard to decrypt the TLS traffic because there's very strong encryption. Now, if you come down, if you want to check the display filter, so you can see here a complete list of TLS display filter can be found. You can check here. Show only TLS based traffic. So you can simply type TLS in the display filter and it will only show you the SSL or TLS traffic. If we talk about the capture filter, so you cannot directly filter TLS protocols while capturing. So what you can do, if you know the TCP port, so you can filter on that one. So if you know the port, on that particular port, you can filter the traffic. For example, if you want to capture traffic from port number 443, so you can use this filter TCP space port space 443 and it is going to capture traffic from that port number. So these are the display and capture filters. So these are the basics of SSL and TLS. We have learned what is SSL, what is TLS, what is the basic difference between SSL and TLS. And we have learned how you can decrypt TLS traffic and various display and capture filters.